its pleasures did tempt me to stray. I saw not the danger that lurked on the way. The toils closed around me, I knew no release, but Jesus has found me and given me his peace. Get right with God, his pardon is free. Get right with God, he's waiting for thee. Our Jesus is calling, oh come unto me. Take him, O sinner, and get right with God.
Alright, so got my pieces, and now I'm starting with the legs of the bed. I got all the parts that I needed, and my screwdriver, and so here we go. I don't consider myself as a carpenter, but since the last video you saw that I had put a simple raised bed, I couldn't help but to get it to a building mode. No wonder Jesus was a carpenter. You know, carpentry definitely takes patience, perseverance, and full concentration. So I was really determined to get to, instead of buying my base for my son, I wanted to just put together one. And this whole thing cost me under $100. I cannot imagine how Noah, when he built the ark, how many days it must have took him to put it together. And what I love about this is that the fact that when we learn to build our own things, it allows us to teach our children, as part of our school curriculum, how things are made. So now my son's gonna try go on it soon. And there you have it. Hope you're encouraged. Feel free to subscribe, like, and share this video. As my son is waving, he's happy, solid as ever. Bye for now. God bless.
Get right with God, his pardon is free. Get right with God, he's waiting for thee. Our Jesus is